How do celebrity divorces divide marital property like pet custody? Imagine a high-profile divorce where the world watches every move, every asset split, and every pet dispute unfold. How do courts handle such complex divisions? Well, it's not as simple as splitting a dog's leash or dividing a house. When it comes to celebrity divorces, the division of marital property involves a mix of tangible assets like homes, cars, jewelry, and intangible assets such as brand value, endorsement deals, and social media accounts. These assets can be worth millions or even billions, making the process more complicated than a regular divorce. Marital property includes everything acquired during the marriage, like real estate, bank accounts, investments, and even business interests. Courts aim to divide these assets fairly, but not always equally. Separate property, like assets owned before marriage or received as gifts or inheritance, usually stays with the original owner unless it has been mixed with marital assets. For celebrities, this can include their personal brand, which might be considered a marital asset if it was developed during the marriage. Valuing these assets is often a challenge. Physical property like mansions, luxury cars, and jewelry are straightforward to appraise. But intangible assets such as a celebrity's social media following or endorsement contracts are trickier. For example, a social media account with millions of followers can be worth a significant sum, but its value can fluctuate based on contracts and audience engagement. Courts may assign a monetary value to a celebrity's status and divide it accordingly, but this process requires expert appraisals and negotiations. Now, pet custody in celebrity divorces is a different story. While pets are legally considered property, courts increasingly recognize their emotional significance. When high-profile pets are involved, courts may decide custody based on what's best for the pet's welfare, similar to child custody. For example, if a celebrity has a dog that they've raised for years, the court might consider factors like who has more time, a better environment, or a stronger bond with the animal. Disputes over pets can become public and contentious, especially if the pet is valuable or a social media star. Sometimes, celebrities negotiate pet custody arrangements outside court, focusing on the pet's happiness and well-being. It's important to treat pets as sentient beings, not just property, to avoid emotional distress and prolonged disputes. Legal mistakes in these cases often include failing to identify all assets, especially intangible ones like brand value or endorsement income. Overlooking the importance of prenuptial or postnuptial agreements can lead to confusion and unfair divisions. Underestimating the complexity of dividing business interests and intellectual property tied to celebrity status can cause delays and disputes. Treating pets solely as property without considering their emotional needs can also lead to disagreements and upset both parties. To prevent these issues, it's essential to conduct a detailed inventory of all assets, including intangible ones. Working with experienced legal professionals who understand high-asset and celebrity divorces can make a big difference. Using mediation or collaborative divorce methods can help resolve conflicts more smoothly and privately. When it comes to pets, approaching custody with care and recognizing their emotional value can lead to better outcomes for everyone involved. Knowing these facts helps ensure a fair division and keeps disputes from dragging on longer than necessary.